These are the tools required for controller installation. Disconnect the positive power cable first. There are also two black cables. After disconnecting the positive, negative power cables and charging cable, then power on, drain the remaining power, power off. Next, remove the 4 screws on the central controller. Loosen the screws halfway. The central controller will then be loose. Then unplug the signal cable. Disconnect this signal cable as well. Disconnect all cables on the central controller. Remove the central controller first. Then remove the controller. Remove all screws to avoid falling and damaging components. Single motor haul. The controller is now fully disconnected. Bottom these 4 screws. Skip this step for single controller removal. The front controller was taken out. This is the rear controller. Get a new controller. Coat the bottom with thermal grease. The blue circle is biased towards the front of the car, and the yellow circle is biased towards the battery. Front controller in the same direction. Be careful not to press the line. Start installing screws. Hold the controller in place. There are 2 screws under one controller. Plug the motor cable to the front first. Install the rear wire of the motor first. Order of yellow, green, blue. Make room for this opening. Then this rear control is fine. Then the front controller. Still yellow, green, blue. The screw must be here. Can't leave blank. The plane is connected to this copper pillar. After tightening the screws, remember to put the protective cap on. Install central control now. Put these 4 corners. Put it back. It's stuck on these 4 screws. Screw fixing. Okay, the central control has been fixed. Next, plug in the central control cable. The cable on this side is plugged here. Arrow on arrow. Aligned and inserted. Align arrow. This is with the tail light. Left RGB light. Right RGB light. When you're done, tuck it in. Check it first. Are the cables plugged in? Power it on after plugging it in. After finishing all operations, reconnect these electronic control components. Connect the battery negative first. The 2 black wiring harnesses. Connect them to the controller's black wiring harness. When connecting the red harness between the battery and controller, we need to use the pre-charging resistor. The 2 ends of the pre-charging resistor have different ports. This is the male connector. This is the female connector. Connect resistor female to controller red port first. Then connect resistor male to battery red female port. Hold for 5 seconds. Remove the pre-charging resistor after 5 seconds. Finally connect the 2 red wires of battery and controller. Repeat the same steps for the other red harness. First connect one end of the controller with the pre-charging resistor, then connect to the battery end and hold for 5 seconds. The pre-charging resistor effectively protects components from surge current and voltage spikes. Connection completed. Arrange the wiring harness to avoid pinching when closing the cover.